Hello everyone. Our today's topic is continuation of again smartphone. In today's topic we will cover how to upload graphics or how to upload images in smartphones. Generally whenever we have a layouts, at the top we have some logo of the companies or we have some images at the top of the every layout. So in this topic we will discuss how to upload graphics into the smartphones. Now before uploading graphics into the smartphones, before that we have to upload the image or we have to upload the graphics into SAP system. So how to upload graphics into SAP? We have one transaction code, that is SE78. So we'll move on to transaction code SE78 first. This is the transaction code for graphics. Now firstly we will upload the graphics with the help of this transaction code. Now we will click on this arrow. We will click on this bitmap images. Now whenever you are uploading the graphics into SAP system, your image must be in bitmap format. Whatever the logo or whatever the image which you have, that must be in bitmap format. So click on this import button, browse it. I am going to desktop. On the desktop I have a image, bitmap image. So I will copy this image. Suppose my name of the image is TCS logo. Description is suppose TCS logo. Now suppose I want a color bitmap image. I will click on this OK button. The image is uploading into this SAP system. Now it is saying graphic was imported. Now if I want to see this image, I will go for print preview. The image is displayed. Now I will upload this image into the smartphone. Now I will display this image into the smartphone. So I am moving on to transaction code smartphones. This is my smartphone. I will go for change mode. For uploading the graphics, suppose I am creating one more window. The name of the window is suppose graphics window. For every window we have 4 dimensions. Suppose now I am checking the dimensions for first window. Left margin is 5 cm, width is 5, so 10 is already reserved. So suppose I am starting the graphics window from 11 cm. Suppose width is suppose 5 cm. Upper margin suppose I am taking 1 cm. And height is suppose 4 cm. Save it, checking for the syntax, activating it. I will see in the form painter it is appearing properly or not. It is overlapping with window 2. So I will decrease the height. Suppose height is 3 cm. If I am checking in the form painter, it is again overlapping. Suppose height is my 2 cm. Now it is not overlapping this window. Now I am activating this. Now in this window I will display the graphics. So I will go for create graphic. I will go for general attributes. What is my name of the image? My name of the image is TCS logo. I will go for object. My object is bitmap. My object is bitmap. My ID is bitmap. I will go for color bitmap image. Now we have the resolution. Whenever you are increasing the resolution, the width, the height, the size of the window is decreasing. Suppose I am firstly taking suppose 75. Now if I am activating this, if I am executing the smart form executing, suppose my input is 4970. If I am executing this, taking the output device, now the image is displaying like this. Suppose I want to decrease the size of the image, so I have to increase the resolution. Whenever you are increasing the resolution, the size of the window decreasing. Suppose I am taking it as 200. If I am activating the smart form, activating this, running it, if I am passing 4970, executing this, output device, print preview, now see the size of the logo is decreasing. So whenever you are increasing the resolution, the size of the image is decreasing. Suppose I am taking it as suppose 100. If I am running the smart form, function module running 4970. If I am executing this, passing the output device, print preview, now see the width of the logo is now increased as compared to the previous one. So this is the way by which you can upload the graphics into the by which you can display the graphics or logo into the smart form. Firstly, you have to upload into the SAP system with the help of SC78 transaction code. Then in the smart form, you have to create the graphic and you have to pass the corresponding image name. Thank you. The rest we will continue in the next lecture.